I'm gonna try a little bit of a different camera view this time. I got a head strap, so hopefully this will work out pretty good. But I'm gonna be tearing the whole entire dash out of this truck because I have a tan one right there for it. I just want it to match the interior. I got new pillars, all that stuff. I think it'll look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this whole entire stuff apart. Get my little attachment off here. Need to get a little flat head for that. Perfect. That just broke. So I kind of have somewhat of an idea on what I got to do here. And I had to do that out in the field, so that kind of sucked. That really sucked. We'll just let him sit on floor while we're doing stuff. And there we go. Alright. Unplug all this stuff. I made some pretty good progress on this thing. I had to put the camera down because it was pretty time consuming to get this whole entire dash out. I had the wiring harness hold me up and stuff. It looks like a mess. If I sound a little different, I've been sick. It's a couple days later. I think I found the problem with the heat. I'll put the video, which the defrost would never ever work, so I'm pretty sure that was what was causing that. I noticed that the clip for this guy is not there, non-existent, and then this was stuck in the cold, which this controls your flap here for your heat or your cold. So, and it was stuck in cold, so it's been letting in cold air the whole time, which I'm pretty positive that is what the problem was, but I ripped it all out because I plan on taking the seats out. I'm gonna soundproof this whole entire cab. I want to do it right. I want it to look good. The next thing will be taking this seat out, and then we can start soundproofing this thing. This is a newer seat. I put this guy in here, so it should be pretty easy to take out. I think it's just a couple bolts. I'm pretty sure it bolted right up, but I'll have to move this guy up. I noticed for my light switch to like, this was like that, so I have no clue why. It's always worked, but it's just a little odd. But yeah. Another project I got a winch for my four-wheeler here. I need to get that guy mounted, so we might be doing that very soon. That shouldn't be too long or time-consuming. And I want to mount a winch on the front so then I can put a plow underneath so I can shovel snow with this thing. We took the gauge cluster apart and we cleaned it. This thing was filthy before. And it looks like a brand new gauge cluster minus the old plastic. But yeah, this also broke when I was trying to put my new part on. Not really my fault because the new one came broke. So I'm gonna order a new one of these so then I know what gear it is. As you can see, it's moving right there, park. So, because I'd like to have that. So yeah, and I need to figure out why my field gauge has not worked. I might do some testing on the circuit board to make sure it's nothing here. I also want to replace all these with some LEDs because half of them are burnt out anyway. I know like everything from here on is burnt out, and then I think everything from here down's burnt out. I think all that's burnt out, but yeah, I want to do that as part of the interior fix and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and start tearing that seat out, so that gives us more room, and then we can take the floor out of it, and then we can start soundproofing it. Ow. Oh, I need some channel locks. Channel locks, channel locks, channel locks. Wow, I get it. Okay, let's slide the seat forward. Okay. Oh, there's our second one. There we go. There's one. There we go. Now the seat's ready to come out. I think I'm gonna have to take it out this side because I can't open that door all the way. Yeah, there ain't no way I'm pulling that out. There we go. Okay, oh, that's my high idle stick, if anyone's wondering. I need to put a tuner on this thing so I have high idle, but get her done with the old stick, the free high idle mod. Hey, these seats are kind of heavy. Do. Okay. Shove that over there. Bam. Okay, now we got, oh, free screwdriver. I knew this was back there, but I actually did not know this was. I don't think this is mine. Got a lot of shit in here. Okay, I wonder how easy all this is gonna come out. Hopefully it comes out. I probably need to remove this, which is packed full of shit. Let's see here. Let's use, I need a skinny, let's use this. I don't really like using my Milwaukee screwdrivers because these are the fancy ones. Ooh. Oh my. You guys can tell what kind of bits in there. How deep are these? Holy shit. Come on. Come on. Show me what you are. Definitely tell this, holy shit. You can tell these ain't been off ever. Probably since the truck was brand new. Let me try Phillips on it and see just what'll happen. Worst case scenario, it doesn't come out. Yep, there she is. And I'm wrong, it could be a star. I don't know. Never had to take one of these off. It is a Phillips. By the way, my bit's broke. So if I round it off and get mad, it's definitely my stupidity. Ooh, this one's rounding off for sure. Okay, yep, let's not do that one. That one's gonna be fun. That one came right out. Back. Okay, got two of them that don't want to come out. Well, when all else fails, just drill it out. There we go. Wow, look at that. Wow. Done. All right, that was easy. Like it should have came off. See how loose this thing is? Yeah, that is way too loose. No wonder this thing doesn't want to shift into 4 high. Probably works, it's just too loose to do it. And yes, that's what she said. Okay. Let's see how hard it's gonna be to rip all of this out. Probably should remove all this. Ouchie is. Stay. Well, that went good. Here's the soundproofing stuff that I use. I did my whole entire Fummins in it, and it worked really good. I definitely don't think that I have enough sheets here to do my whole cab, but I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. And yeah, but this stuff's, I mean, it's super sticky. You can see it's got this stuff on here. You just peel it off, and then all you do is you just roll it on with this roller, and you can see what parts you've rolled over because it's indented a little bit, so it's kind of nice. But yeah, so we're going to put this back so I don't lose it, knowing me. Also, another nice thing is my new fuel filters for my 6.0 came in. So I got a fuel water separator and a fuel filter. So I got that to put on. I need to do that, but it's like 8 degrees out right now, so it's kind of, and again, the truck won't fit in here unless if I take the front bumper off and the rear bumper, it might fit. I mean, this is a single cab long bed, and I have it pushed all the way up against the garage door, and I have a couple feet there. I probably maybe 5 feet, but I think I measured it out. I believe we're like 2 inches too short from it being able to fit in here, so I got that to figure out. But I need to put this guy on the charger so we can have some good light. I don't know if I have that type charger out here. Nope, I'm gonna have to go get one.